Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for TAO price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis and starting on the daily chart for the all-time history here for the bullish and bearish scenario to see where are we and where are we heading. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5 wave A or a wave 1 finished. After this you're looking at 3 wave corrective WXY to finish of course a wave B. And of course, continuation toward the upside, potentially as an impulse, potentially it can be a WXY just due to the wave 5 here that it looks like a little bit 3 waves, but if you enter it as well, you can see kind of like an ending diagonal. So if we have finished a wave 1 here, you would like to seek for a wave 2 here and then continuation to 3, 4 and a 5 toward the upside for a wave C. But in case this did not happen and this turned of course into a bigger corrective wave as WXY taking the low here of course where you potentially wants to hit anyway as an ABC in case you are in WX and a Y here, you would like to hit a 1-to-1 fib level 1.05 between the 162 and $150. You have this of course short bearish scenario still to unfold potentially in a W, X and a Y. And this WXY might unfold, of course, a big wave 1 and a 2 and then 3, 4, 5 continuation toward the upside, or even an A, B and a C, of course, as well as the same scenario in an impulse toward the upside. However, the wave 1 would like to reach even much higher because you have, of course, 4 and a 5 still to reach. The target 1-to-1 taken from the wave A to the wave B potentially, of course, is a 1-to-1 fib level. Now, of course, it depends if we take this low. Basically, we're gonna reach the 4,200. So yeah, we're gonna see how it's gonna happen. But basically, yeah, this is a very nice target in both case scenario for a wave C. For a wave 3, of course, even you might reach higher. Now, if we move inside this current pattern to analyze a little bit here to see what's going on inside it, we can see, of course, on the 4-hour chart, we have potential WXY finish 3 waves. You are looking for a corrective wave A, B, and a C here because, of course, your wave 5 is longer than the wave 3, meaning no diagonals here. And, of course, in case you're looking for an impulse, or a structure towards the downside, you would like to finish, of course, as ABC as well, potentially matching exactly the wave W here in W, X, and a Y, of course. And this would be a perfect match between the W and the Y here, so making this WXY very perfect in shape as well. Meaning right now we are looking for this wave toward the downside, and you have to take into consideration that this area is corrective. So if we move on the 1-hour chart for the micro analysis of this area, we can see, of course, we have a triangle A, B, C, D, E here, potentially finishing a wave B between a wave A and then, of course, a wave C. Now, your wave C has to reach the 1-to-1 fib level normally, of course, as a basic Elliott wave pattern. However, don't forget that you are in an impulse here, meaning a zigzag, and a zigzag wave A followed by a triangle can of course unfold a wave C, which it can hit only the 0.618 or around it for a wave C. It might be of course a short wave C here for this scenario. And if we take a closer look inside this wave C, you can realize here that the wave 3 has been given. And after, of course, having a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, potentially 4 and a 5. However, if this wave is not finished as an impulse because it looks like unfinished and invalidated again, meaning potentially here you have a 1, 2 and a 1, 2 again, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5, and then 4 and a 5, and one more 4 and a 5. So in all case scenario, you have to be careful that you might not reach the 1-to-1 fib level. I see some weakness a little bit here in this impulse because after giving a wave 3, you would like to be in this area already if you still have one more leg to reach a wave 1, meaning whether you get an extended wave 5, which is low possibility based on this price action here, or you get, of course, a short wave 5, finishing before the 1-to-1 fib level, moving toward the downside. So therefore, be careful from the risk here. Be careful from the risks that we might even move already toward the downside from a little bit higher. Even for more micros, to make this much more precise, if we take a look inside this wave toward the upside, obviously this is 3 waves, meaning of course this was corrective, and you're looking for potentially wave 5 unfolding right now. Now, if this is a wave 1 of your wave 5, therefore your wave 5 might be extended, and this is exactly what I'm talking about. So potentially, yeah, there is a potential of an extended wave 5, but be careful, it might turn, of course, reversal at the 1-to-1 fib level for this wave C, so we have to be careful. And also, yeah, there is a risk even before touching it. So yeah, I just want to mention the risk about it, because of course we might still looking for lower. We are not bullish. We are not bullish. We potentially not overshoot this wave 1, and that because of course you don't have here a wave 2. A wave 2 is not allowed to be a triangle, remember, and it is only a wave B, meaning the wave C is gonna be finished soon or later, and then moving towards the downside in a bigger view, of course, meaning you want to finish this one more leg for a zigzag here to match a perfect zigzag again for a wave W, X, and a Y. Don't forget to follow on X. For today, we have updated Ethereum quick update and also BGB for Budget. Very nice opportunity, and don't forget and miss this 2 minutes for quick updates for those coins. That was it for TAO. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.